Hi there, I'm Tony DiTerlizzi. I'm an author, an illustrator, and I'm here at home. Probably you're at home as well, which, we're home. It's okay. But I thought maybe I could read a story to you that you might enjoy. After all, it is the holidays. It's actually my favorite time of year. So I've got the fire going, I've got my favorite sweater on, and I've got this story here, The Broken Ornament. It's a book I wrote a couple of years ago and was actually inspired by a real-life incident. Our daughter, Sophia, dropped an ornament accidentally, and it inspired this story here. Jack wanted this to be the best Christmas ever. I want more decorations, he said. That way Santa will see our house first. His father chuckled. Well, you've certainly got that Christmas spirit. And here's Jack and his dad decorating. But it wasn't enough. Something was missing for Jack. Let's get a bigger tree. This tree's just fine, replied his mother. But Santa needs more room underneath to leave us more presents, said Jack. There's Jack stating his case. It was Christmas Eve. The house was decorated, the cookies were baked, and the tree had been trimmed, yet Jack still felt like something was missing. He ran into the room holding a dusty old box. Look, I found more ornaments. His father sighed. I think we're finished decorating. Jack opened the box. A lone ornament lay nestled inside. Not that one, his mother said. There's Jack opening the box. And Jack didn't listen. There he is, dropping it. The ornament hit the floor, shattering into a million glittery pieces. Jack Michael, look what you've done. It's just a junky old ornament, Jack replied. We'll get another one. No, we can't, his mother said, and went upstairs. Jack's father grabbed a box of tissues and followed her. And here's Jack consoling his mom. She doesn't look happy. Jack knelt down, inspecting the shards. It was only an accident, he muttered. In a swirl of shimmering frost, a tiny figure formed. Here's Jack. Maybe you can see the tiny figure in the shimmering frost. Are you my fairy godmother? Jack asked. A bubbly voice replied, Godmother? Oh no, they don't trust me with a wand. Call me Tinsel. Do you grant wishes? Jack leaned close. What is it that you wish for? A smile curled in the corner of her mouth like a candy cane. I want the best Christmas ever. And there's Tinsel in all her glittery, shimmery glory. Then let's deck these halls. Tinsel tossed a handful of glitter into the air. Each fleck became a fluffy flake of snow. She shook a sprig of mistletoe, and its pearl berries dropped down to the floor. From each berry, an enormous Christmas tree burst up through the floorboards. And there's Tinsel casting her spell, and the result of her Christmas magic. A wintry wonderland in Jack's very own living room. She tapped her tinkling bells. The front door flew open. A trio of caroling elves paraded inside, followed by a herd of reindeer, an army of nutcrackers, and a rowdy bunch of snowmen. More! More! Jack cheered. And here it is. And here is what ensued next. A snowball fight in the living room. Easy to clean up. Is this merry enough? Asked Tinsel. Jack's house was the most Christmassy in the whole town, probably even the whole world, but somehow something was still missing. A shiny fragment caught his eye. Tinsel, can you get my mom a new ornament? And there's Jack, seeing the ornament on the floor. No can do, Tinsel replied. I can give you every ornament in the North Pole, but it won't replace the one you broke. Why not? Asked Jack. Tinsel fluttered near a gingerbread house, and it began to glow from within. Take a look, Sugar Plum. So here's Jack and company looking inside the gingerbread house. Let's see what's inside. Jack peered through the frosting-framed window to see a little girl hanging the ornament he had broken. When she was young, your mother's favorite holiday tradition was trimming the tree with her grandma, said Tinsel. Jack could hear his great-grandmother's voice. I've had these since I was your age. She handed over the box of ornaments. Now they're yours. So here's Jack's great-grandma handing the ornaments to his mom when she was little. And you can see there were 6 ornaments at one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, including the one Jack broke. That was great-grandma's ornament, and I broke it. Jack looked at all the things the fairy had brought. Somehow it was too much, and yet not enough. I wanted this to be the best Christmas ever, and now it's the worst. Can you fix it, Tinsel? And there's Jack, pleading with Tinsel. There's only one person who can make that kind of Christmas magic, replied Tinsel. Santa? No, you! Tinsel tweaked his nose. You silly reindeer. Like a whoosh of the north wind, an idea rushed into Jack's head. He grabbed pencils, paint, and paper and set off to work. And here he is, crafting. He's got an idea. Let's see what he does. Jack heard his parents' footsteps on the stairs. In the blink of an eye, Tinsel's winter wonderland melted away. Time for bed, Jack. His mother's voice was soft. Santa will be here soon. Wait, I have something for you, Jack said. I'm sorry I broke your ornament. His mother opened her gift. Oh, Jack, what is this? And here's Jack giving. It's your grandma. It's my great-grandma. It's your grandma giving you the ornaments. Jack's mother looked closely. But how did you know? Christmas magic, Jack said with a shrug. Oh, Jack, I love it. His mother hung the ornament at the top of the tree. Jack's heart felt so big, no amount of wrapping paper could hide it. There's the ornament that he made, his mom. And here's his mom, hanging it on the tree. Finally, it was the best Christmas ever. And here's Tinsel and company outside watching Jack. I hope you enjoyed this story as much as I did reading it for you. And I'm looking forward to a point where we can all hang out together again. Until then, have a safe and healthy holiday. Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to Gotham Reads for more of your favorite children's books read aloud daily.